Hello and welcome to this 10-minute silent apartment workout. We've got 10 minutes on the clock today, 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest in between and to switch between exercises. No jumping, so perfect for those of you who don't like jumping. Very silent exercises, nothing crazy. We're going to be mostly targeting legs and our core, but the entire body, our full bodies will be working. So let me get the clock started. All right, in 10 seconds. So first one, we've got regular squats, okay? In 3. Right, regular stance squats, okay? So make sure that you're going nice and low. Take full advantage of this time that you have. Full advantage of these 45 seconds, okay? I want to be making sure that we are working out effectively. So keeping that chest up, don't lean forward. We don't want to be engaging that lower back. What we want to be doing is working our legs. So let me move this way a little bit. 5 more seconds. Okay, 15 seconds. Next up, we've got lunges, okay? So one leg at a time, which is going to make it more silent. Come down, back up. That's exactly what we're going to do. In 5. Let's go. Bring it down nice and low. Tap that knee on the floor of that leg that's behind you. Ooh, the back leg is burning. Ay, ay, ay. Keep it up. More than halfway. Always make sure that you're checking your form. You want to be doing these exercises effectively. It's good when you have a mirror because you can see exactly what you're doing. 5 more seconds. Breathe. Well, that burns, doesn't it? Whew. Okay, we're going to do the other leg now. In 5. Let's go. Making sure that we're not leaning forward, okay? The movement comes from that front leg. You're pushing away with that heel of the front leg. The back leg will burn as well, okay? Because you're supporting yourself with that leg. However, I want you to be feeling it in that front leg, okay? So keep that chest up, back nice and straight. Bringing it straight down, back up. Engaging that glute a little bit more. And relax. My dog is barking for some reason. Okay, next up, we have glute bridges on the floor, on your heels. Bring it up, squeeze glutes at the top, and down. So the reason why we are taking our toes off the floor and only doing this on our heels is to, hold on, my timer stopped working. Tends to do that somehow. 20 more seconds. The reason why we're doing it on our heels is because that way we're engaging our hamstrings and our glutes more. So keep it up. 10 more seconds. Squeeze those glutes at the very top. Okay. Right, next up, every woman's hated exercise, push-ups. If you can't do regular push-ups, do them on your knees, okay? I'm gonna do them on your knees, on my knees as well, because I did upper body yesterday. I'm crazy sore. And I just don't feel like I would be able to do regular push-ups today. because the soreness is insane. Keep breathing through it. I want you to bring your chest down directly. I don't want you doing anything like this or anything worse. Okay, next up, high plank, shoulder taps, okay? So we're going to be in our high plank and we're going to be tapping the opposite shoulder. Let's get ready and let's go. Try to minimize the movement of those hips as much as you can. So tighten up that core. Make sure your hands are directly under your shoulders. Keep going. Guys, 10 more seconds, keep it up. Remember, you can always play some music in the background, but make sure you have me on as well for instructions. Wow, that is exhausting. Right, next up, plank twists, okay? In a plank position, twist your hips to the side. Let's go. Really nice for sculpting that waist, getting those obliques nice and tight. Keep it up. If you can't do this one, just do a regular plank. 5 more seconds. And relax. These 10-minute workouts, I'm telling you, they are crazy. Right leg raises. Okay. Head up. Bringing the legs down. Remember, you're only bringing your legs down to a point where your spine is still in touch with that floor. Okay? We don't want your spine coming off the floor. You stop just before that point happens. 20 more seconds, keep it up. You can always put your head down if it's easier. Place your hands under your butt cheeks. Relax. Next up, we have Russian twists. Okay? Make sure you're twisting in that core, not just moving your arms side to side, okay? Let's go. You can always grab something in your hands to make it easier to twist in that core. Wow, it's burning. Come on, lift your legs up. If you can't lift your legs up, you can always put them down on the floor like so. The closer they are, the easier it is. The further away those legs, the more difficult. And then when you lift them all the way up, that's another level. 5 more seconds. Okay, last one. Reverse plank, knee tucks, okay? Tough one, but really effective, okay? Get ready in 5. Let's go. Make sure to keep that bottom elevated. I don't want your bottom here, okay? The whole point of this exercise is to keep your hips up with that core. with the back muscles. Drive that knee up. You're gonna feel it in your arms like crazy, especially those triceps. Keep it up. Keep those hips up, come on. Don't let them go anywhere. Place that foot nice and gentle. No noise, remember? And relax. Whew. Wow. Only 10 minutes, but we managed to do so much. And we even managed to break a sweat. How crazy is that? It's crazy what 10 minutes can do. My heating is on as well. That's why it's so hot in here. Anyways, well done for showing up. Let me know your least favorite exercise in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.